you all are fine. Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, today we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 6, formatting a document. I have divided the chapter in 2 sessions and this is the first session. Students, before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality. And sit with all your essential stationery. Let's begin. Okay. First of all, answer me a few questions. First one is, what is word processing? We have learned about it in previous videos now. What is word processing? Yes, word processing is typing, editing and formatting the text. Can you tell me a software which is used for word processing? Any one software that can be used for word processing? Yes, MS Word. And we have already learned about MS Word now. What is MS Word? It is an application software that allows you to process the text, to edit the text, right? So, MS Word is a software that can be used for word processing. Students, in this session, we will learn about formatting a document, okay? And in that, we will know how to change the font type of the text, how to apply bold, italics and underline, how to change the text alignment, changing the text color, changing the text shape, changing the line spacing, creating bulleted and numbered lists, applying border and shading, and how to insert clip art. Do you want to know all these features? Do you want to learn formatting your document to beautify your text? Do you want? Okay. So for that we will have to go in the virtual practical lab. Let's start.
Okay, first of all tell me what is formatting. We are going to learn formatting a document now. So first of all you must know what is formatting. Can anyone tell what is formatting? Formatting means to beautify your text, to change the appearance of the text, okay? To apply different effects in your text, okay? To make it beautified, to make it attractive, okay? So have you understood about formatting? In this session we will learn about different effects that you can apply on your text to make it beautiful, to make it look more attractive, okay? So first of all just open MS Word. I have already created a document, so here it is. I will open it. Okay, now see how it's looking. Is it attractive? Is everything clear? What are the different things in and nothing is clear, like, है ना? Only text is written. It's not being formatted, right? So first of all we will format it. So many formatting options are available in the home tab itself. Here is the home tab and these are all the commands of the home tab. The commands of the home tab are divided in different groups. Like you can see, these are the commands in the clipboard group. Okay? This is the clipboard group and these are the commands of clipboard group. Then we have font group. This is font written. This is the group's name. Okay? And these are all the commands to change the font. Font style, font size, to make the text bold, italics, underline. Okay, all these things can be done from this font group in the home tab. Okay, next we have paragraph. Paragraph group allows you or gives you the options to change the alignments of the text. Okay, to make the bullets. Like you want to write something in points, so you can you can select it from the paragraph group in the home tab. Okay, next here are the different styles. This is the styles group, okay? And this is editing group. These are all the different groups in the home tab. All these groups can be used, and all the commands of the groups, different groups can be used to format your document, okay? First of all, let's start with changing the text size, okay, font size. How will you change the font size of your document or the text in your document? First of all, to make any changes in your document, the first step is you have to select the text, okay? First of all, select the text. All the changes will only appear in the text selected. Okay? So I will select it. Select all the text. Okay? I have selected. Now I want to change the font size. Here is the font size. Okay? See. It's changing. You can select the size according to your wish. So I am selecting 16 size. Okay? ठीक है, अब it is visible at least, बड़ा हो गया ना text, ठीक है, okay. Now I want to make it bold. Here is the bold option in the font group in the home tab, okay. I will click it. See, हो गया ना bold. Now I will select this computer memory and I will again click on the bold. I will click on underline. See, underline हो गया, ठीक है. In this way you can make the changes, but the first step is you have to select it, make it bold, underline. Okay, have you understood how you will change the font size and how you will apply this bold and underline? Okay, now there is a shortcut for doing this also, like to make the characters in bold. What will you do? You will select it and you will press Ctrl plus B. Ctrl plus B will allow you to make your text bold. Okay, this is the shortcut for making your text bold. If you want to make your text look in italics, you will select the text and you will click Ctrl plus I. Click the Ctrl and along with it press I. तो italics हो गया, ठीक है. If you want to underline your text, like here no underline is there, you want to underline, okay, and you want to do it from the keyboard itself. How will you do? You will press Ctrl plus U. Okay, Ctrl U for underlining the text, Ctrl B for bold and Ctrl I for italics. Write these shortcuts in one place in your notebooks, okay, and try using the shortcuts. Okay, you can also change the font type. What is font actually? Font is all these characters that are written in different styles and different font sizes. Okay, this is all the font. Okay, if you want to change the font style, how will you change it? You will select it, and by default it's Calibri. Okay, and by default what is the font size? It's 11. Okay, I will see. If you want to choose this, I am choosing this. Okay, see, font style जो है वो change हो गया है. Okay, font style changed. Again select it. Here is the font style. You can choose this. Okay, in this way you can change the font style and font size. ठीक है? If you want to change the font style of this text, how will you change? You will change it like this. ठीक है? Understanding now? If you have any doubts, you can ask. I have not selected this. See, I have not selected this, therefore there is no change in this. है ना? If you want to change it, you will have to select it first. First step is selection. Okay? Now it's changed. The font size and font style has been changed. Have you understood? यहाँ से you will in the fonts group, In Home tab, here are the options to change the font style, font size, bold, italics and underline. Okay. One more thing, if you will select any text in the MS Word, like I have selected this, so then as soon as I selected, see, this is a small pop-up window. It appears with very few formatting options, with basic formatting options. Okay, from here also you can change the font style, font size, bold, italics, change the color and all these things. Okay, so this is the quick window, like pop-up window from where you can format your document. Okay, now we will learn how to change the text alignment. What is the alignment? Do you know what is alignment? Alignment is the position of the text, okay, on the page, from where it is starting and where it is ending, है ना? In this, it is starting from the left, है ना? If you want your text to end in the right at the same place, you can do that also. You can change the alignment of the text, okay? For that, you will have to select the text. First of all, select the text. And where are the alignment options? They are present in the paragraph group of the Home tab. Okay, paragraph group of Home tab, and here are the options for alignment. These four, we have four alignment options in MS Word. Okay, let's start from align text left. Okay, this, when you will select this option, it will align the text in the left side. It's already aligned. We were already working on align text left. Okay, you can also align your text in the left side by using the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus L. When you will press Ctrl plus L, your text will be aligned to the left side of the page. Next alignment option is this, second number option, center alignment. In this, all the text will be aligned to the center. Okay, mostly center align is used for headings and titles. Like this is the heading, I will select it and I will press center align. Okay, तो mostly headings और titles के लिए center alignment use होता है, क्योंकि we want our headings to appear in the center, right? So this is used. I will select this and center align. Okay, now we will use the shortcut key. I will select this, and what is the shortcut for text center align? Ctrl plus E. Okay, तो ये center में हो गई सारी headings. ठीक है? Next we have align text right. Here is the option for align text right. See, हो गया ना? Right side से आ रहा है सारा, है ना? लेफ्ट में आगे आए पीछे आए, नो कंसर्न्स, बट राइट साइड में इट शुड बी इन दी सेम लाइन, है ना? तो ये क्या हो गया? align text right. You can also align text right by pressing the Ctrl plus R on the keyboard. Shortcut for align text right is Ctrl plus R. For center, Ctrl plus E. For left, Ctrl plus L. Now you can also justify your text. Justify में ऐसा होता है कि your text will be placed evenly between left and right alignments. Okay, एकदम when you will see, you will select this, तो आपका जो text है that will be placed equally in left and right alignments. ठीक है? It is not align text left. Do not confuse it. Okay? See, align text left is this. मतलब center में नहीं है वो, right side से कम ज़्यादा हो सकता है. But when you will select this justify, see, it is equal in the right side also. है ना? Equal है ना? See, straight line, है ना? तो this is justify alignment. And how can you, which shortcut key can you use to align your text justify? You can press Ctrl plus J. Okay, Ctrl plus J for justify, align, Ctrl plus R for align text right, Ctrl plus E for center, Ctrl plus L for left. Okay, alignment समझ में आ गया ना? What is alignment? Alignment is the position of the text on the page. Okay, पहले पैराग्राफ ग्रुप के ही अदर कमांड्स को भी देख लेते हैं. वी हैव बुलेट्स हियर. इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई बुलेट्स, सी हियर द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल. ओके, तो हम इसे बुलेट्स में शो करना चाहते हैं, लाइक इन पॉइंट्स. तो यू विल प्रेस दिस. पैराग्राफ में in home, paragraph group में here is the command for bullets. Okay, bullets भी you can choose of different types. See, you can choose any of these. Okay, here are the different bullet styles, or this is the bullet library, and you can choose any of these. Okay, if you want to choose this, you can. If you want to select 1 2 3 numbering, you can select it. Okay, and here जैसे 1 पॉइंट होता है, उसके अंदर भी और सब पॉइंट्स होते हैं, है ना. कभी कभी ऐसा भी तो होता है, लाइक 1 है, फिर उसके अंदर भी ABCD करके हमें करना है, तो वी कैन चूज दीज बुलेट ऑप्शंस फॉर दैट. ओके, इफ यू वांट, नाउ वी वांट टू चूज दिस, वी विल सिलेक्ट इट. ओके, सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ यू विल अप्लाई द बुलेट्स फ्रॉम इन द पैराग्राफ ग्रुप. ओके, home, paragraph group, and here is the option for bullets. 3 types of bullets. Okay, in numbering also you can select different styles. You can select 1 2 3 with dots. You can select this with brackets, this capital ABC, this Roman में 1 2 3. You can select any of these. Okay, so you have a different options to select the bullets also. Now here I want to add number 2. तो लाइक दिस हो गया ना, 1 2. ठीक है, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ यू विल ऐड बुलेट्स? नाउ वी विल चेंज द फॉन्ट कलर. हाउ विल यू चेंज द फॉन्ट कलर? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट. ओके, एंड हियर इज द ऑप्शन फॉर चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट कलर. Home tab, font group, and this font color. You will click on this. A number of colors will appear. You can select any color from these. Okay, I want to select this color. I will click this. See, color is changed, right? So have it, and here इसका भी color, it is signifying कि कौन सा color I have selected, है ना. तो in this way you can change the font color. Okay, now I want to change the font color of this. I will select it, click here and choose a font color. Okay, see, है ना. Select it, home, font, and here is the option to change the color. Okay, in this way you can change the font color. Have you understood how to change the font color, font style, font size? Okay, now we have options to change the text case also. Okay, so what is text case? कि कैसे अपीयर हो रहा है, लाइक इट इज इन कैपिटल्स और इन स्मॉल्स, और फर्स्ट लेटर्स कैपिटल्स हैं या फिर फर्स्ट लेटर स्मॉल है, बाकी सारा कुछ कैपिटल है. दिस इज द केस ना, लोअर केस, अपर केस, राइट. बाय चांस यू हैव टाइप्ड समथिंग एंड यू वांटेड टू टाइप इन कैपिटल्स. इंस्टेड ऑफ deleting it and typing it again, what you will do, you will simply select it and change the case. No need to type it again. Okay, now home, font group, here is the option for the text case. Sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word or toggle. These different 5 options can change the case of the text case. Okay, दिस इज सेंटेंस केस. सेंटेंस केस में क्या होता है? सेंटेंस केस में व्हेन यू विल टाइप आफ्टर द फुल स्टॉप, द टेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी कैपिटल ऑन इट्स ओन. यू नीड नॉट प्रेस द कैप्स लॉक की टू मेक द फर्स्ट लेटर आफ्टर द फुल स्टॉप appear in capitals. You simply have to select the sentence case. First letter of the sentence will be capital. ठीक है, पहले मैं आपको एक बार दिखा देती हूँ कि small करके, and when we will select the, see, I am ए को हम छोटा कर दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, और हेयर आई को भी छोटा कर दे रहे हैं, ठीक है, ठीक, ओके. नाउ वी विल सेलेक्ट इट and I will change the case of sentence. See, सेंटेंस जैसे ही स्टार्ट हुआ I और A अपने आप से कैपिटल हो गया है ना. आफ्टर द फुल स्टॉप द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द सेंटेंस इज कैपिटल. तो in this way you can select the sentence case. Now this is written in small, like in lower case we want to write in upper case, like in capitals. Okay, what we will do, we will select it and change it to upper case. See, सारा कुछ कैपिटल हो गया, हमें दोबारा से लिखना पड़ा क्या, नहीं ना. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन चेंज इट टू अपर केस और लोअर केस. नाउ अगेन वी वांट टू राइट दिस इन लोअर केस. वी विल सेलेक्ट इट इन द होम टैब इन फॉन्ट्स ग्रुप. दिस इज द ऑप्शन टू चेंज द फॉन्ट केस. ये वी विल सेलेक्ट लोअर केस, ठीक है. तो ये सारा का सारा लोअर केस में हो गया. नाउ सी, first sentence, the first letter of the sentence is also small, is in lower case, right? A हमने इसे sentence case में करा था, तो what had happened? All the letters after full stop have appeared in capital. Okay, we will again select it and capitalize each word. See, the first letter of every word is capitalized in this capitalize each word case. Okay, have you understood? Now in toggle case what will happen? All the letters will appear in the upper case, only the first letters will appear in the lower case. Okay, all others will appear in the capitals. ठीक है. First of all, first step, selecting the text. So we will select the text. Here toggle case. See, first letter is small and all other letters are in upper case. In this way this toggle command works. ठीक है. Now let's revise all the cases. First we have sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. Sentence case में क्या होगा? The very first letter of all the sentences will be capital. Okay. Next, all the selected text will appear in the lower case. In upper case, all the selected text will appear in the upper case. In capitalize each word, the first letter of all the words will be capital. In toggle case, the first letter of all the words will be in lower case and else all other letters will be in upper case. Have you understood about the case? कैसे चेंज करना है? What are the different options? What is the effect of each option? है ना? Now we will learn how to change the line spacing. What is line spacing? Line spacing is the space between two lines. Okay. First of all, you will select the paragraph of whose line spacing you want to change. Then in the paragraphs, here is the line and paragraph spacing. Okay, when you will select this, see, the spaces between the lines is increasing or decreasing. Okay. If you will select 1.0, space will be decreased. 1.15, 1.5. See the changes in the spaces between the lines. See, 2 में इतना, 2.5, 3. Okay. In this way you can change the line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance between the two lines. Okay. You can also change the spaces between the lines from this line spacing options if you want to customize it. Okay, and this is the customized tab. Like from here also you can change the spaces between the lines. Okay, like here you can do anything. Okay, increase or decrease the spaces between the lines. ठीक है, okay कर दोगे change हो जाएगा. ठीक है, I want to undo it. I will press undo button in the quick access toolbar. ठीक है. Now what comes next? Okay, let's learn how to apply the borders. Okay, there are a number of borders that you can apply in the MS Word. In the paragraph group, here this option is to apply borders. Okay, see borders and shading, you will press on the drop down menu. If you want to add only bottom border, you can select this, top border, left border, right border, no border, all borders. Okay, and also there is the option at the end, borders and shading. When you will click on this, these are the number of shading and borders option. Okay, here you can change the color also. If you want to change the color, select some color, you can change, select a different color. Okay, you can change the width of the line drawn. Okay, these are all the different options that you can select. Take when you will apply to paragraph and OK. ठीक है, सी बॉर्डर हो गया, ये साइड में इसके शेडिंग हो गई, कलर भी हमने डिसाइड कर दिया था. ठीक है, इन दिस वे यू कैन apply the borders. If you want to apply the borders on the full page, how will you do that? Select this page layout tab, and here we have the page borders option in the page background group. You will select this. Now select this 3D shadow custom में अगर ऐसा आपको चाहिए तो you can select this. ठीक है, color you can change. Want to apply blue one and shading भी हो उसमें तो select it. See, ठीक है, पूरे पेज पे ही आपके बॉर्डर लग गया है. ठीक है, you can apply the borders to one paragraph also, or you can apply the borders to the whole page. Okay, you can change the color of the border, है ना, you can change the different styles, you can add shading, है ना. These are all the different options to apply the borders. Okay, if you want to insert a picture, how will you insert a picture in your text? First of all, you will click the insert tab, select the insert tab, and here is the option to insert the picture. When you will click on this, it will ask you from where is your picture and from where you want to select it. I have saved the picture on the desktop, so I will select desktop, and here is my picture. Okay, so here it has been inserted. आपका कर्सर जहां भी होगा वहीं पे आपकी पिक्चर जो है वो इंसर्ट हो जाएगी. ठीक है, wherever you want to insert your picture, you have to place the cursor at that position. ठीक है, these arrows you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Okay, in this way you can insert the picture to your text also, to your document. ठीक है, so have you understood on different options for formatting your text or formatting your document? Here are a list of options. Okay, there is so much you can try on your text. I have not explained everything. Better you just open the window and try to use everything. Okay, then only you will get to understand.
Have you understood how to format your text, how to format your document? Okay, now here is an assessment for you. I have told you some of the shortcut keys, right? So you have to tell me what is the shortcut key used for underlining the text, for bold and italic. Pause the video, take your time and write the answer. Have you written the answer? Okay, let's tell you them. So what is the shortcut key for underlining? It's very easy. Control plus U for underlining, and control plus U. Okay. Then for bold, if you want to bold the text, which shortcut key will you use? Yes, you will use control plus B. Okay. Then for italic, which shortcut key? Control plus I. Okay. Have you understood? Just remember all the shortcut keys. Okay. Write the shortcut keys in one place. Okay. Now, your homework is you have to write a paragraph from your book or from anywhere, and you have to give a heading to it, apply the effects on heading, and also format the document. Okay, format that paragraph, use different font style, font size, and set the margins. Okay, just format that document. Okay, and next you have to solve the brain developer exercises. You have understood all the things now, so solve the brain developer exercises on your own. In the next session we will discuss brain developer. Okay, that's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.